Eskimos have a practice. A French traveler, when visited the polar Eskimo nations for the first time, he was unversed with their living and lifestyle. The Eskimos are very poor and barely manage with basic necessities. They are so poor that it is difficult to find one prosperous person amongst them. But having been to Eskimo families and spent time with them, the French traveler writer said that he is yet to come across one person richer than the Eskimos. How? How does he say that? The household that the Frenchman was staying in, he was offered to stay with an Eskimo family. The household that the Frenchman was staying in, he complimented the head of the family by telling him that his shoes made of animal fur were beautiful. The Eskimo immediately gifted the shoes to the French. Despite the fact that he did not have a second pair and walking barefoot on the snowy terrain is putting oneself into danger, he gifted the shoes. After a couple of days, he was surprised to notice that whatever article or thing he admired would be gifted to him by an Eskimo. Then he got to know that Eskimos practice gifting anything to anyone who liked those things. He asked an old Eskimo the reason or significance of gifting. The old Eskimo explained that first the things do not belong. These are merely the things or articles. Second, the things are no longer useful to the person who has used them, but these are being appreciated and admired by another. These should immediately be transferred to the one who likes them and desires to possess. The third reason is that the opportunity to feel the sense of ownership comes only after the article is parted away to the person who has liked it. Having things, articles, chattels does not make you a householder. Holding and clinging on to the articles makes you a householder. Eskimos are saintly people. If we look into the lives of Babas or self-declared saints, we find that in true nature they are householders. They have a tendency to hoard and aggrandize. What you are by appearance does not matter. What you are deep inside is of value. But who else would know what you are inside? So always have an eye watching you within. Do I hold on to things? Do I cling on to things? If the things are not there, will I finish with the desire to have them? If I am a sum of things and articles, I am a householder. It will not solve my problem by going to the Himalayas. I just need to break the arrangement of being a householder. Detachment does not mean you should own nothing. It means that nothing should own you. Becoming sannyasi is an internal revolution. If this happens within, then the outside articles and outside world are insignificant.